Okay, it's Robin Bailey and Sabrina Phipps. We're on St. George Island, and we just had the seaweed come in, but there's also older seaweed. And what we're finding is feathers all mixed in, and a variety of sizing and species. I'd say the air temperature is probably 75, water temperature is 70.
Probably 60s, I would probably.
Okay, a little cooler.
And we've only had one cold
day.
The closest that we've had to freezing was Christmas.
Yeah, we've had, I think, 1 or 2 days of near freezing, and then it warmed right back up. So, if we could find birds over here, we could maybe figure out what's going on, but we have not been finding shorebirds or offshore birds for a couple years now. But the fishermen, inshore and offshore, have really been commenting since the summer of 12 that they're not finding any birds, and they're not finding any bait out there either. So when there's no birds, there's no bait. And the birds usually help these guys find the bait. So yeah, we've got some strange things going on. So there's a little cachet of feathers. And yo, stop.
That's your pick. I mean,
no, Baron, don't eat the feathers. You so mean, Baron.
so now it's washing into this grass.
And it's every pile of seaweed. It's not just a select 1 or 2 piles. It's every pile. Just going to kind of walk this weed line, and I don't even really have to pick through this stuff. You can just see them mixed in randomly. Hang on, Sabrina, I'll come check it out. Got a fresh pile over here that just washed in.
Still damp. see that one's still wet.